What's up everyone? Welcome back folks. In this future upload 212 minus 212 which equals 0 times 212 minus 212 equals 0. Now we have this problem 0 times 0 which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication 212 times 212 equals 44,944. So we have 212 minus 44,944 minus 212, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 212 minus 44,944 which equals minus 44,732. So we have minus 44,732 minus 212 which equals minus 44,944, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos.